Today, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil change required light on your 2013 Ford Fusion, and this should work on similar models as well. When you start the car up all the way, it says oil change required. I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. First thing you want to do is hit the OK button to get rid of that message. Next thing you want to do is hit this back arrow twice. 1, 2. That way you're in the menu. And what you want to do is scroll down to settings. So we'll hit 1 down there. Then we'll hit the right arrow. And then once you're in this setting right here, you'll want to scroll down to vehicle and hit the right arrow. So down 1, vehicle. And then it says locks oil life reset. That's the one we want. So we're going to scroll down to the right. And if you change your oil, you can just set it to 100% or 90% or however long or whenever you change the oil. So we just changed the oil on this, so we're going to set it to 100 and we're going to hit OK. And now we're set. So when you turn off the car and you turn it back on, there you go. That fixed the problem right there. Hope this video helps you. If it does, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.